Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can claim your Wix website on Pinterest. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right now in a new tab, go ahead and search for Pinterest. After that, go ahead and hit enter and then click on the first link. Once you do that, first of all, log in to your account if you have any account, or if you don't have an account, just create one. And then go here to the top right. Here you're gonna find notifications, messages, and here you're gonna find your profile. Click on this little arrow right next to your profile. And then here you're gonna find accounts and accounts, convert to business. Here you're gonna find settings, home feed tuner, and so on. Click on settings. And then once you're here in your settings, in the left, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find edit profile, account management, profile visibility, tune your home feed, claim accounts, and so on. Go ahead and click on claim account. When you claim an account, you can monitor analytics and ensure your name or brand name appears on every pin created from your site. So right now, here you're going to find two options, website and Instagram. Go to website and click on claim. Once you do that, choose how you want to claim. So you can either add a HTML tag, upload an HTML file, or add a TXT record. So right now, just copy the code, click on continue. Then you need to enter your website URL below and click the button to verify. So right now, go back to your website. Right now, here, go to settings. And after that, go ahead and scroll down and click on custom code. Once you're here in this site, so first of all, we're going to publish the site. And right now, once you're here in this page, first of all, you need to upgrade your site to a premium plan. Click on upgrade now. And after that, go ahead and choose the plan that suits you. And then you're going to be able to add your code. Just click on add custom code right here, paste the code that you copied, and then go back here, add your site URL right here and click on verify, and then it's going to be connected to your Wix store. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.